Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can apply old footage effect in CapCut PC. First, drag your video to the timeline and then go to the effects section. Click on the video effects and search old footage effects. And here you can see that some of the pro features are available and some are free. So if you want to apply, for example, this footage, then here you can see that the video has been turned into the old footage. So click on that and drag on the timeline. For example, if you want to apply on this part of the video, then it will adjust the old footage effect on the particular part of your video. For example, if you want to apply on this particular part, click on that and you will see that after turning it old footage. You can also apply old footage vertically. So for this you need to click on the old footage and then you go to the mask. Click on the add mask and here you need to click the split, and from this point you need to drag it to according to your requirement. Now let's play it and check how it works. And this is what you can see that. And here the left side is the old footage effects and the right side is the actual real footage. So this is pretty simple and very easy. I hope you understand how you can apply old footage effect in CapCut PC. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.